Hi everyone, I will show you how to make Facebook post shareable. First of all, open your Facebook app, then tap here and you need to tap the public option in the bottom your username and you can select your audience, the public, the friends, or if you want to private then tap to only option. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.